Welcome back. In this video, I will show you whether the Etoro wallet is safe or not. So let's get started. Just like Etoro offers advanced security protocols to its users holding trading accounts with it, the company ensures next-level protection of its wallets as well. Offering multi-signature wallets along with two-step authentication, Etoro makes clients rest assured that unauthorized access to their wallets is nearly impossible. SSL web encryption also helps protect users' confidential information while using the internet. Above all, the Etoro wallet is a product of a regulated company that operates under multiple reputable regulatory authorities around the world, including CySEC, ASIC, and the FCA. Given all the security measures we've discussed, the Etoro wallet is considered to be extremely safe for storing and managing your supported cryptocurrencies. However, it's always a good idea to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication to keep your account even more secure. And that's it. You've successfully learned whether the Etoro wallet is safe. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.